Zach! Zach, go, go, go! You got 12-volt power. Go, press it. Let's see how fast you can go. Go, go, go. Come on. Come on. Chase me. Chase me. Come get me. Come get me. Don't run into the tree. Do you need to back up?
You need to move the tree. The tree's in the way.
Here. Oh, that's what you're doing. Okay. There. Now, turn your wheels this way. Okay, now go. Whoa, there you go. Keep going. Oh, yeah, it's okay. You're going to keep on going out this road, ain't you? You going to go? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Come on. Don't be scared. Woo! There you go. Come on. Woo! Huh? Zach! 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 All right, turn the wheel. Turn. Wow! That's the second time you got me. Turn the wheel. Go! Come on. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Mommy. Okay, there. Okay, go. 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 Just don't fall in that ditch right there, please. All right, press the gas. Press the gas. Yeah, you got that pulled all the way up. Now press the gas. That gas button right there. Hold on to, no, no, no. Put your foot there. Put your foot there and push. There you go. Whoa, 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 okay. Whoa, whoa, now turn this way. All right, now go. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Go as fast as you can. Go in that puddle right there. Zach. Zach, you see that mud puddle? Zach, you see the mud puddle? Right there? Go through it. Go through it. Let's see you go through it. Go through the mud puddle right there. Oh, you missed a little bit. Okay. You ready to go straight? There you go. Okay, press. Woo! There you go. And he's off. He's doing that on purpose with his foot going do do do. Ah!
I had your foot
You got insurance? Do you have insurance? Yeah. You do? Okay. Mommy loves you. All right, go, go, go. Push it all the way down. Let's see how fast you can go. Go fast. Go real fast. Wait, wait. You're in first gear. You're in first gear, aren't you? Yeah. Put it in second gear. All right, now go. Now go. Yeah. There you go. It's got 1, 2, and reverse. That's actually made for it. That's not just a regular John Deere. That's the John Deere Gator. You can look it up on the internet. It's one of the best ones. Woo! Zach, get Uncle Justin. Go run him over.
Run me over. Go get me.
Go get him. Go get him. Let's see how fast you are. You gonna go in the mud puddle? Come on. Come on, Zach. You're going around in a circle. There you go. Turn the wheel. Okay. Oh, you almost got it. Keep going. All right, Zach, go. And this is still 12 volts. I wonder what the 18 volts is going to be like. Uh-oh, you better run. Push that gas hard. Push the gas hard. Run, run, run. Run, he's going to get you. Run. There you go. Push it all the way down. Woo! Go for it, Zach. Go as fast as you can. All right. There he goes. He's trying to get in the mud. He just got in the mud puddle. Woo, there you go. Way to go. You went in the mud puddle. Yay. All right. Are you thirsty? Whoa, whoa, don't run mommy over. Oh. I probably need to take my shoes off. Zach. Whoa, there he goes into the puddle. Woo! Push it. You ready for a drink? Okay. Let's have something to drink.